Yo, hey, you ever seen on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this combo Hatteker with the model number SK1619. It's a IPX7 again, water resistant. So, stay tuned, man. All right. Now that we're back, specs of these two machines, not really written here. Got 3 hours charging time. You can see that it's written 3 hours charging time. I don't know which one of them, and at the back, operating time 180 minutes. Okay. And I don't know which one or both are the same, I don't know. Okay. And don't forget, I unboxed this one before, but just alone. For me, this is Kemi 1986 with a clicky lever, So LCD display is a little bit different, and let's see if maybe it's really the same like Kemi 1986. Yes. You see that? It's a combo. Okay. 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 For me, this is not good at all. Really not good. Very, very cheap made, And it doesn't really feel like Kemi 1986 on the hand. I guess Kemi 1986 is a little bit heavier than this one. I guess so. Okay. Charging port. And the back is flat, really flat. That I don't really like. Taper blade. Okay, this type of blade I don't like. And got also a thin cutter blade. Okay. The range is a joke. Just take a look. The range is a joke. You see that? Let's turn it on. It is very smooth, Hear that? And this one, I unboxed it before, I guess it was also Hatteker, but alone, not combo, I didn't really like it. The shape I don't like, I bought this combo hair clipper from Amazon. It was really cheap, so I bought it. And you cannot zero gap it. The one I bought before, you cannot zero gap it. And I guess this one, you cannot also zero gap it. Which I found very, very not good. So, yeah. Okay. LCD display, charging port. It would have been really better if you make a combo. The same charging port. That would have been really good, Okay. Very quiet. And for me, it's not fast enough. You see? For me, not strong enough, you know. First of all, let's see what it got for us inside. Okay, 2 charging cable. You know, I was charging the clipper and the trimmer already. And this is for the trimmer. I guess 3 guards and 1 little brush. And you got a colored guards. Yep. From 1 till 8, you know. From number 1 till 8. And a little brush and 2 manual. And just one just 1 oil. And down. So I got my old cell phone. So now this one's totally different. Okay, this one goes in here. Yeah. So okay, it's not written here. Let's see about this motor. No, 337 PA. It's a good one. Okay. Somehow they made it like a water resistant. It's right now. This one. It's already sealed, so it's a water resistant. Yeah. Okay. Now going here, I know. Let's see. Again, bring the cover. No. Okay. Nice. So yeah, you can just bring the rest on the cover. So yeah. Let it down. Okay. No. It's broken. Okay. So it's a FF280, I guess PE or something like that, you know, with a 3.0 volt. So here we are. Do I recommend this clipper? And now it's a little bit smooth. I don't know. I feel it doesn't have the same power like Kevin 1986. That's how I feel, you know. This one, I don't know. If maybe you can change the cutter blade so it can be zero gapped, then it's okay for home use, you know. I don't know, because they all are budget clippers. You cannot compare this one with this one, you know. I really love this one. It is fast. 6,600 now. You cannot, this one is more better than this one, you know. I don't know the range, so I don't know. I really like this one, you know. That's it. Peace.